Guys, I didn't get to report the message from earlier because I couldn't find my remote.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Marshall, and Dade.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the Central South Carolina and Southern Virginia emergency alert system. This is a coordinated for the test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency such as lockdowns, official messages will not follow the alert tone. This station serves the Columbia and Richmond areas. This concludes this test of the South Carolina and Virginia emergency alert system. Thank you for your participation. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Thank you for your participation and have a good evening.